How to fix Instagram I'm not a robot problem easily and fast. First thing guys, open the settings and then go to the apps manager. Open the apps. Now on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you want to do here is scroll all the way until you find the Instagram app and click on it. When you click on it, it will take you directly into this page. So click on the storage like this, click on clear data, and then click on delete, and then click on clear cache. Go back, and now you have to click on the open by default option. Click on open supported links in this app, choose ask every time. Now you have to turn off your phone, turn it on again, and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe.